Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Mary. In this video today, I'm going to review the Plum, Olive and Macadamia hair mask. I will also leave timestamps in the description box in case you want to skip to a particular section and find out a specific information. You can definitely do that. The price of this hair mask is 875 rupees for 250 grams of quantity. This hair mask comes in a very thick and creamy texture. It has a strong fragrance just like most of Plum products. This is the full ingredient list of this hair mask. Let's break down the ingredients a little bit. So these are all of the emollients, which is the moisturizing and hair conditioning ingredients that are added in this hair mask. Quite a long list. They have used ethyl exyl glycerin and phenoxyethanol as the preservative in this hair mask. Time for the review of this hair mask. They say on their website that this hair mask is suitable for all hair types and for also on chemically treated hair, and that it is silicone free. On this product, when I checked how to use, it is written apply to just shampooed hair, leave on for 20 minutes, rinse, avoid use on scalp. So on this product, under how to use, they have written that avoid using it on the scalp. And on their website, under the claims of this product, they have written that it nourishes the scalp. So this is something very strange and contradictory. But as mentioned in the instruction, I did not apply it on the scalp. I just applied it to the lens because they specifically mentioned not to apply it on the scalp. So their claims is something that contradicts the how to use instruction of this product. So I usually try to avoid silicone based hair care products, specifically for hair care. For skincare, I am okay with that. For hair care, I don't wash my hair too often, so silicones they do leave like a film on top of the hair. It does give that feel good factor. It does make the hair very smooth and soft. So if you like silicone based products, you can definitely go for those. However, I like to avoid. So this is a silicone free formula, and that is why I liked it. So the texture of this hair mask is very creamy. It is very thick because it has so many emollients, as I already mentioned in the ingredients part of this video. So it's very thick and creamy. It does give that like extra mega moisturizing, as they claim. It does moisturize the hair a lot. If your hair is extremely dry and rough, this product is for you. This is like super moisturizing hair mask. It does make the hair smooth and soft. It does take away the frizz. It also gives a little bit volume to the hair. This is how my hair looked after washing the hair and after using this hair mask. The next day, this is how it looked. So these were all of the pros that I liked about this hair mask. It is truly mega moisturizing. The other claim about the scalp and this thing is very contradictory, so I did not understand, and I wanted to mention it in this video. The only con I felt, it is a bit too pricey. I thought it's just overrated and just overpriced product, but they have used a lot of good emollients. They have used so many hair conditioning ingredients. Shea butter is one of the primary ingredient of this hair mask. It is the first ingredient after the solvent. It has all of these other olive oil, macadamia oil, and all of these other good ingredients that they have put in this moisturizer to justify the price. So price wise, it is fine. It is of course pricey, but it is fine as per the ingredients that they have used. However, if you're looking for an affordable option, I do have an affordable option for you as well, which I have reviewed in detail. So please do check that out. I will leave it in the description and in the comment section as well. I have a detailed video about that product, so you can check that out and see if it would work for you. Forgot to record the outro. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.